Hey guys, it's Tebbit. So just wanted to give a little tutorial on how to CC or color correction. Yeah, this is it. So basically color correction is like making your idea look more like an idea in your head, what you pictured in your head, because some colours might look wrong, it might not fit and all that. So I'll show you what each adjustment layer does. So the main ones I use is colour lookup, photo filter, vibrance, hue saturation, channel mixer, gradient. But I'm gonna walk through every single one of them, and yeah, that's it. So start colour lookup. So colour lookup basically changes the colour. So like, think of it like Snapchat filters. Just like adds a little bit more detail to it. So yeah, I think this is a nice one here. Yep, so I think this is a nice one. So next we are going to be using channel mixer. So what these do is just like, you can mess with these knobs, change how much colours you want in it. So I don't really want any red, but want it more blue, to be honest. So blue, there you go. Yeah, I with channel mixer as well, these change the output channel. So this just specifies with how much colours you want. There you go, just decreased it a little bit. So photo filter, you'll be using this one a lot. So you've got colours, or you can use a custom colour. I might use one of the filters. Cooling filter. So as you slide density knob, it's like how much do you want to change it. So something like that. So I would keep this something like that. There we go. Black and white, this just changes it. Don't really need to do anything about that. Colour balance, this is like channel mixer, but it gets all colours in it. So move this one, this is cyan and reds, magentas and greens, and yellows and blues. So that looks nice. Yeah, let's make it a little bit like that. There we go. Now then, so now then, hue saturation. So what this does is like you change colour when you slide the hue, change saturation, like how saturated you want it, and lightness, how bright you want it. So I'll just reset that real quick. Hold on. So I might change colour a little bit, something like that. Saturation, just have it a bit saturated. Lightness, just have it somewhere like that. Go down. Vibrance, this changes how vibrant you want it. So you want it really dull or really vibrant. I want mine pretty vibrant, so something like that. Saturation, it's just same as the last one. Change mine to something like that. Do this every time. Alright, exposure. I don't really know what this does, but all I know is that it changes brightness a little bit. Don't really do off. Like, seeing that just changes brightness a little bit. Curves. yeah, curves. Curves are good. It may seem a bit useless, but you will be using these. This can like change your thingy-majiggies a bit, so here, brighten the darkens, and here, brighten the lights. So I think something like that. Levels, don't really know what this does, but it's probably just same as curves. Brightness and contrast, same as this one, to be honest. Pattern and gradient solid. These are basically the same, but the ones I mainly use is gradient with this one. I put this one on overlay or soft light, mainly overlay, because then you get something like that. And yeah, that's basically all of it. So see you later. Thank you for watching, and that's my quick tutorial. Bye.